again, it's Tom from the Minstead Trust here to give you some more activities and things to do and think about while you're in lockdown. We've been doing a series on birds and feeding the birds, and I know that my colleague John has been doing lots of videos with you about growing things, and I just thought we should possibly cover some of the issues that might come up when birds and growing things come into conflict. If you've been sowing peas or beans or even large seeds, you may find that the birds will come down, they will eat the beans, they'll pull them out of the ground, they'll take the seeds, they make a bright mess, and they really spoil your gardening. So today we're going to look at making a thing for scaring birds, a bird scarer, out of some things that hopefully many people will have at home. For a start, wool or string, doesn't really matter. I really can't stand pink wool that I have. There's the other thing you're really going to need is something to scare birds. And CDs are shiny, they're reflective. For all the birds except magpies, they're very scary. Although, yeah, magpies don't eat your seeds, so you're fine. You get some CDs that are white or a colour on one side, one this way. We don't really use them much anymore. Most people have memory sticks and cards, and these are old data CDs from computers and people with the cloud. A lot of people have a lot of these hanging around. So the idea is simple. Wool, CDs, and from your garden, a stick. A decent sized stick that you can jam in the ground that will make your CD tree. And what you want to end up with is CDs hanging on string that you can then tie onto your tree so that they swing around in the wind and ideally scare the birds. This is the plan. Here you go. First up, one, very easy. I'm going to show you how to. The easy way of doing this is to take a length of string, lots of different lengths of string. If it's wool, you can just break it, you don't need a knife, which is great. The easy way is just to get the string as a double piece, hold it at that end, tie a knot, just a simple knot at one end, chunk chink, there you have your length. You take your CD, poke the loop through the hole, and then just poke the other end of the string through the loop. Ding! And it's hanging straight away, you see? We can tie that one on somewhere, I don't know, about here, I guess. And then you can slip your CD through the loop of your thing the other way, pull tight, and it's hanging. I'll show you that slowly, because like Blue Peter, I have some I prepared earlier. Take another piece of string. It's good to have different lengths so they hang at different heights. Poke it through the hole. Get the end of your string and poke that through the loop. Ting. Now it's hanging. Then when you put it on your tree, you take the two pieces of string, you find a little hooky bit on your twig, put the CD through, pull tight, and down it goes and sits nicely. Bing. So, we just need to do that loads and loads of times. You can see they're already scattering around in the wind. Hopefully, unless you have particularly feisty birds, we'll scare them off. Give them a bit of a shock. So we're going to do another. You can get quite quick at this, which normally is the idea, but I suppose it's not very good. You really want to be using more time, not doing things quickly. There we go. There we are. show you the results and we'll take them and put them out in the garden. So when you've finished putting your CDs on, you should have noticed something that looks a little bit like this, which on this particularly windy day is flapping about all over the place and getting right tangled up. But before it gets further tangled up, we're going to put it in the ground by some peas that we planted earlier in the season that haven't quite come up yet but will do soon, so we're going to hide them. We're going to scare the birds off with these bird scarers. Here we are. We put one end of our row, we've got rows up and down in here. Sits in the ground, it's not going to go anywhere, they move about in the wind, and with a bit of luck, scare the birds. Thanks for watching.